Control 7 Adam 7, show us at a vehicle stop on Olympic and Avon. You got this.
Sir, driver's license and registration, please.
What's the problem?
You were doing 50 in a school zone. What's that sound?
My bees?
You're what?
Bees. I'm a beekeeper. I don't know if I'll be able to control them if you give me a ticket.
Sir, threatening an officer is a crime.
All right, step out of the car. You okay?
Yeah, you?
I'm sure I'm missing my long sleeves. We go after him? All units be on the lookout for a blue minivan. Look out, full of bees.